Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're looking at a way to shortcut one of the biggest budget hurdles in video production.
Teleprompting.
Exactly. We're diving into the DataVideo TP-650 teleprompter package, which basically turns a standard tablet you already own into a really effective prompter.
And the problem this solves is that, that immediate giveaway that someone is just reading their script.
Yeah, the dead eyes.
Right. Whether you're on a small video set or even a theater stage, looking down at notes or having that robotic fixed gaze, it just tanks a presentation. This aims to fix that for a fraction of the cost.
And that fractional cost really is the whole story here, isn't it? The TP-650 is priced around, what, $650?
About $600, $149, yeah.
When professional systems can easily start well over $2,000.
Mm-hmm.
So let's unpack how they're bridging that gap. The core of any prompter is the glass. What's the key component here?
It all comes down to the special 60/40 glass. And this isn't just, a simple mirror. It's a beam splitter.
Okay, 60/40, what does that actually mean?
That ratio is critical. It means 60% of the light from the scene passes right through the glass to the camera lens, so you maintain really high image quality.
And the other 40%?
That other 40% reflects the script from the tablet back to the presenter's eyes.
Okay, but hold on. A lot of these low-cost DIY prompters just use standard mirrored glass.
Mm-hmm.
Is that specific 60/40 ratio really necessary, or is that just marketing for this price point?
Oh, it's absolutely necessary for professional results. If you just use standard reflective glass, you get ghosting, you get significant light loss.
Right.
And you can sometimes even see a visible reflection of the camera lens in the talent's eyes.
Not a good look.
Not at all. And when you think that DataVideo's high-end model, the TP-800 KIT, is nearly $3,000, getting that same 60/40 quality for $649 by just outsourcing the display to your tablet, that's the major innovation.
So they've completely outsourced the cost of the internal monitor. It makes so much sense. Okay, so once you have the physics of the glass sorted, the next hurdle is control. How do you get your scripts in? And maybe more importantly, how do you control the pacing?
They kept the software really straightforward. You just use their DV-Prompter app.
Okay.
It lets you copy and paste scripts directly. And critically, it gives you control over fonts, colors, text size, all for reading comfort.
Yeah.
But for the actual delivery, you need flexibility.
Because nobody wants that fixed robotic scroll. It's just as bad as reading from cards.
Exactly. And while it can scroll at a set automatic rate, the real utility comes from the optional WR500 remote.
So you buy that separately.
You do, but it lets the presenter or a separate operator control the pace in real time. You can match the rhythm of a natural conversational delivery.
Okay, let's move to the practical setup. We're talking about a physical frame holding a tablet and a big piece of glass. Is this a nightmare to put together on set?
Not at all. The setup is designed for speed. It's quick, it's simple, and it doesn't require any special tools.
Really? No tools?
None. The frame itself is strong and rigid, and it fixes securely to any standard tripod quick-release plate. And here's where the specs get really practical. The net weight of the whole unit is just 7.23 pounds.
Okay, 7.23 pounds is critical.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's light enough for a single person setting up a shoot. You don't need a heavy-duty tripod to support it.
For sure.
And how generous is the mounting bracket for the tablet itself? Tablets come in all shapes and sizes now.
The bracket is very generous. It's an expandable system designed to securely fit even the largest tablets all the way up to an iPad Pro.
So what's the range?
It handles tablet widths from a minimum of 145 millimeters, which is about 5.5 inches,
Okay.
all the way up to 265 millimeters. That's over 10.5 inches. So it gives you really wide compatibility for almost any tablet you'd bring to a shoot.
So the final takeaway here seems pretty clear. The TP-650 delivers that one core professional feature, the critical 60/40 beam splitter of glass, by just smartly capitalizing on tech we already have.
Exactly. They treat your high-res tablet as the display, and that keeps the hardware cost accessible.
And accessibility is the whole story.
It is, and it makes you wonder, given how fast tablet screens and their processing power are advancing, what other high-cost broadcasting equipment could be democratized like this?
Like what? Field monitors?
Field monitors, maybe even basic video switchers. What else could be done with simple, well-designed accessories that just leverage the powerful devices already in our hands? Something for you to think about until our next deep dive.